Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about suggestions. So do you know how ServiceNow provides suggestions? What is the procedure? So you see this short description, here is the suggestion. So how the system creates these suggestions. And if you want to avoid something in the suggestion, how you do that? Let's see the procedure. So the very first thing is sys search event. So all the search strings which were entered by the user are stored in a search event table. Then we have a scheduled job name is build search suggestion script. Okay, this script pick up the values from this table. Okay, and make it into search and autocomplete suggestion. And then finally these searches get stored in the sys search suggestion table. One thing I want to show you, what if you don't want to add a particular word or particular string not in the suggestion, for example some vulgar words. So let me show you. There is a table known as search suggestion exclusion list. Okay, so in this table you will add all such words which you want to blacklist or you don't want to come in the search suggestions. So you see some of the special words here. See, homo, junkie, lesbians, all these are the words which you don't want to be a part of your system just to maintain the system integrity, right? So if you have a word which is not a part of this 720 words, you can click on new, add it, and then it will be out of your suggestion list. I will come up with more such interesting information. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want. Thank you so much. Bye bye.